A mother coati is in her nest with a litter of kits. But now they're close to independence and she's able to start foraging further. The other is left in charge, and she is going to have her work cut out. But once on the ground, it becomes total chaos. The babysitter is doing her best, but every time one of the missing kits is found, another wanders off. It's a babysitter's nightmare. Meanwhile, the other female is enjoying some quiet time on the other side of the river. They've become separated, but the babysitter knows that the kits would find it difficult to make the crossing. A bridge. The babysitter, however, has an idea. She just has to get the youngsters across it unscathed. The babysitter rounds up the final straggler and carries him to safety. With the group reunited, everyone has had quite enough adventure for one day.